Buenas tardes. This is Tyler Gervasi with Denison Yachting, and we're here in Ensenada, Mexico on board Bajavento, a beautiful 66-foot custom sailing yacht designed by Fatih Gorbon and represented by Jean-Marie Cabri with the Denison Marina del Rey office. Enjoy as we do a walkthrough tour of this amazing vessel.
Once upon a time, a renowned yacht builder designed a racing machine to speed across the Aegean, only for a wealthy banker to acquire the yacht and transform her into a royal retreat for a year-long sailing honeymoon. Then she was sailed to the New World with a surfing legend at the helm. Bajavento is the product of these three successful individuals, and now a lucky new owner will have the opportunity to build upon and continue this legacy. Her transom is a wide swim platform, circled with dual side stairs, accessing a well-positioned double steering station behind an ample sun lounge. Spacious sideways run all the way to the bow, making an impressive and safe deck where guests can relax, dream, or play. A spacious guest cockpit to entertain friends and family.
Bajavento is an exceptional performance sailing yacht. She's been meticulously rigged for shorthanded sailing and boasts an immaculate interior that's the result of an expensive refit in 2001.
A short flight of stairs grant access to the bespoke salon area, where guests will find the ideal space to unwind. The yacht's interior features a center wood table surrounded by beige leather settees and a flat-screen entertainment center. The walk-through galley is well equipped with an electric stove, oven, refrigerator, freezer, microwave, and ice maker. A navigation station to starboard where far-flung adventures can be planned. Bajavento's interior showcases beautifully finished wood, complemented by light-colored soft goods. State-of-the-art woodwork, floor plan, breathtaking owner and VIP suites earn her the title of a royal retreat. All the way forward, a crew quarter with its own head complete her layout.
Thank you for joining us on board this immaculate sailing vessel. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, don't hesitate to contact Jean-Marie Cabri with the Denison Marina Del Rey office. We look forward to hearing from you. Adios.